Now, of course, the next trade, 1042, about 10 minutes later here on the gold. Now, of course, the gold also has this negative correlation. So the dollar was rising, gold begins to fall. And as you guys can see here once again, right, we had another first entry. We skipped the first entry because no big sellers there. In fact, if I remember correctly, it wasn't that. It was that I was helping somebody else. I missed the first entry. A bunch of you guys grabbed it, though, which is good. I took the second entry after I regrouped myself. And, of course, at 1042, a breaker pattern short here at 21.2. We took our first profit target, usually a +4, got a +6 on it this time, and then +1 for our stop, which, of course, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 1 is 2. That's 14 ticks or 140 USD for that breaker short. Congratulations, obviously, to all the members who grabbed the first move down. You guys got about 32 ticks out of that move, right? Good job at that one. Good job. And the last trade of the morning, you guys, on the euro. Now, remember, guys, right? What do we saw? We saw the dollar jumping to the upside, which means negative correlation. Now, guys, I want you to see something real important here. On the euro, this is my low of day here, this blue line. So we're coming down the low of day here. Now, we were trying to find a way to get into this trade as it was coming down because, obviously, we wanted to trade short just as much as we traded long here. But look at all of these one-tick lower lows here. Right? And guys, this is why it becomes such a hard thing to get into when the markets are really dropping this quickly like this on relatively low volume, like we saw today. A lot of times, it's going to be difficult to go short at those lows. That's why we look for the two-step pattern long. So we mark up our swing high, we break above that swing high, and of course, there's your two-step pattern long. Again, we would have liked to have gotten into the lows here, but we simply didn't see anything really work out. When we got into that two-step pattern long, though, 36.17 was the fill. None of the buyers were there anymore. They all left the building. We ended up going back to the downside, but just after I ended up flattening, after literally sitting there for about 5 minutes, we got 4 ticks or 50 USD out of it. All right, so we tried to get in on the downside. We didn't see any opportunities to get in the downside. So whenever we're at the low of day, what are we always thinking about? We're always thinking, that's right, two-step pattern long. We did exactly that. Not much happened out of it, though. We still had to, of course, continue to be very aggressive with our defense, and we flattened that position for a small win there. All right, guys, total them all up, though, at the end of the day. 4 total trades today, guys. Had 1 scratch, 42 ticks total, guys. Another nice winning day here in the room. Let's prep for tomorrow. Tomorrow's triple, quadruple witching, guys. Tomorrow, that's wrong. That's a Friday, March 19th tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, we're going to spend some more time talking about trigger zones tomorrow. We'll talk more about the wave indicator tomorrow. I'm going to have some special stuff regarding stops and targets on the wave indicator tomorrow, guys. So be here for that. And don't forget, tomorrow's triple witching. So we'll talk more about that in the morning when you guys come in. Trade room opens up at 7:45 Eastern Time. We do webinars on Tuesdays and Thursdays right in the live trade room. Come out and join us for those, guys. If you want more information about our setups, our patterns, our entry rules, or any of the markets we trade, the beginner's course is a great place to start. If you want more information about lifetime advanced membership, comes with lifetime trade room access, all the indicators included, sales@schooloftrade.com. And once again, everybody, thank you for your time today. My name is Joseph James. Hope the video helps. We'll see you in the morning. Bye-bye for now.